Yo, what's good people? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an amazing guitar chord progression. We're gonna be drawing inspiration from Friday's jam titled When It Comes to You. I actually love that song. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. I've actually loved this song so much. Shout out to Friday. That song is amazing. But I'm just gonna be changing it up, giving it some nice Afrobeat bounce, and I've actually converted the vocals using all the me, guys. All right, so the name is When It Comes Friday, man. I actually love Friday's vocals. I love the textures of his vocal. But let's hear what all the me CME is gonna sing.
Harder, you fell in it deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking.
Yeah,
I've been on that type of time with demons.
I love
All the
it.
time I was out.
All right, so what I'm gonna quickly do is just send it to my mixer. But first off, I'm just gonna use the tempo of 87. The original tempo of this song is 70, which is actually very slow. So but I'm gonna be using 87 so that I can give it, the Afro beat bounce. So I'm just gonna send this to my mixer, and I'm just gonna use my EQ to take out
All the time I was outside,
some
I was
of the
tripping.
lows.
There was love at first sight, girl, when you walk.
Then I'm just gonna give it some reverb, and the reverb I'm gonna use populate. So yeah, just populate. With populate, I just do little and I get some.
All the time I was outside, I was tripping. There was love at first sight, girl, when you walked in.
Nice.
Couldn't keep in your
nice. So the song started with this guitar chord progression, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create such amazing guitar. I'm just gonna be using one of the guitars on Contacts. Let me try the electric mint and let's see what the electric mint is gonna give us. And if it doesn't sound close to what I want, I'm gonna change it over to sunburst. So let me just create my pattern and give it some nice colors. Guys, it's always good to give your stuff colors. For me now, if I'm making a beat without having some nice colors, it just feels like the beat is not sounding nice, even though the beat is great. But once there are no colors, I don't know, that's just how it has worked for me. I just love to give my beat colors. All right, so I think this is the way it started. Let me just turn on let me put this here so that I can be able to, let me just select these 4 bars. Yeah, and let's build from here. So what they actually did in the song is to play like octave. So that's just what I'm gonna create. I'm just gonna arrange. So I'm starting on the 4. So we have something like this. So yeah, I'm just bring down the velocity.
I done gave my heart to you. I done gave my heart to you, felt. I done gave.
Yeah, I think so. I'm just gonna take it down. So we have something like this.
I done gave my heart.
Yep, so then the next movement is gonna be so I'm actually just creating the same vibe from the song. So in case you just want to go listen to the song, you're gonna get an idea of
I done gave my heart to you, found it. I done gave my heart to you, found it. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end.
Yeah, so something like this. Let me just put back the effects, but I'm gonna take out just the reverb. This replica. Let me just bring down the mix a little bit.
I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end.
Then the next chord, I'm just gonna. So you can see how we're just creating some nice chords, guys.
I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end. You done came into my life. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end. You done came into my.
Let's see this.
I done gave my. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end. I done gave my heart to you, found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons.
So what you guys can notice from this chord is that you're just playing octave. So in order to create nice melodies with your guitar, all you just need to do is create some nice octave, because you can see it's an open chord, so it has space.
I done gave my order, you found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. I done gave my order, you found it in deep end. You done came into my life.
Think so.
Order, you found it in deep end. Order, you found it in deep end. Order, you found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside. Order, you found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside, I was creeping. I done gave my order, you found it in deep end.
Yeah, so basically this is just how the chords sound.
Order, you found it in deep end.
Yeah.
You found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons.
So nice, we have our guitar. So this is what it sounds like. So let's just.
I done gave my order, you found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons.
And this
All
is
the
the
time I
vibe in
was
the song.
outside, I was creeping.
So
It
next
was
I'm gonna
love
bring in
at
my
first sight, girl, when you
drums.
walked in.
That
Better
Afro
not
Beat
keep in your
groove.
eyes, decide you loved it.
But I can also just play with my guitar. Let me render it to wave. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna edit the sample and play around with the sample rate. And resample it. Let's accept. I'm just gonna drag this back in. So I have this. Then I have my guitar. I'm just gonna layer that together. Bring it down a little bit. Then this other guitar, I'm just gonna send it to my mixer and I'm gonna give it drip and give it the lo-fi effect.
That type of time with demons.
So you can see that I'm layering 3 different guitars just to make it sound really nice instead of just having just the single guitar there.
I done gave my order, you found it in deep end. You done came into
So
my
I can
life
start
while I
bringing in
was
my
sinking.
drums.
I've been on that type of time with demons.
So yeah, I'm just gonna
All the
bring in
time I
my.
was
I have some
outside, I
nice
was
rim
creeping.
shots. All right, so for the rim, I'm just gonna have one here. Let's go with this.
I done gave my
Let's see.
I done gave my order. I done gave my order, you found it in deep. I done gave my order.
Let me just create my drums, the drums that I want, and okay, then let's go with the next percussion. Then let's see. So let me turn off my metronome. Yep, nice. So I have my bounce. Just increase the velocity. Increase this. Let's go. I think I can also increase velocity from here. Let me just show you guys. I think I can. Yep, I think I can increase the velocity. So I'm just gonna come over to the velocity here and just increase it all the way. So you don't have to actually go to your piano roll. You can just do it here directly. Still.
I done gave my order, you found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside, I was creeping. There was love at first sight, girl, when you walked in. Better not keep in your eyes, decide you loved it. I done gave my order, I done gave my order. I done gave my order, you found it in deep end.
Yeah, so I can now just increase velocity,
I done gave my order, you found it in deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside, I was creeping. There was love at first sight, girl, when you walked in.
Yeah, so let me just slow my drums and let me see. I think I can work with this. Yeah, let's have just a simple drum group. Let's see this. Dr. Set Pack. I'm just gonna pick it just to give it some groove. 2 bars. Okay.
Outside, I was creeping. There was love at first sight, girl, when you walked in. Couldn't look deep in your eyes, decide you love.
Vibes. So next I'm just gonna add the bass.
I gave my order. I gave my order.
So let me just try to follow what the chord is playing. Just try to go back to see my root notes. Okay, so yeah, we have this. So I've gotten my root note, so I can now go into, let's see. Yeah, okay. So I can add them, let's see.
Gave my order, you fell in it deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside, I was creeping. There was love at first sight, girl, when you walked in. Couldn't look deep in your eyes, decide you loved it. You was hurting deep inside and you was broken. But I was on the other side and didn't notice.
Gonna add them Lounge Lizard and just play some chords. The chord is basically gonna play the same thing that the guitar is playing, and so we'll have the same thing.
I gave my order, you fell in it deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type. So I gave my order, you fell. I gave my order, you fell in it deep end. I gave my order, you fell in it deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside, I was creeping. There was love at first sight, girl, when you walked in. Couldn't look deep in your eyes, decide you loved it. You was hurting deep inside and you was broken. But I was on the other side and didn't notice. I won't waste my time when it's time to you. Put my father's side, give it all to you.
Yeah, so
I gave my order, you fell in it deep end.
Alright, so guys, let's just listen from the top and see what we've done so far.
I gave my order, you fell in it deep end. You done came into my life while I was sinking. I've been on that type of time with demons. All the time I was outside, I was creeping. There was love at first sight, girl, when you walked in. Couldn't look deep in your eyes, decide you loved it. You was hurting deep inside and you was broken. But I was on the other side and didn't notice. I won't waste my time when it's time to you. Put my father's side, give it all to you. Put my father's side, yeah, I won't waste no time when it comes to you. Put my father's side, give it all to you. Call my father's side, give it all to. Put enough fast for you, 2 to 3 bus rounds for you.
Yeah, so at some point I could take out the bass line from here.
Put enough fast for you, 2 to 3 bus rounds for you. All eyes on me, got me finna make top, I do it all for you. Don't get caught up in them lies before you know the truth. I'll be down to risk it all if you ask me to. Ain't playing with your heart, cause that's too much to lose. You putting up a wall, but you ain't bulletproof. I done got it out the mud and got nothing to prove. Tryna open up your mind to see a clearer view.
Yo guys, so you can see how very easy it is to create some nice chords. Just play octave, just space out your chords and allow them to breathe. And you're gonna create some nice, amazing guitar chords. So guys, if you love this video, I'm definitely sure you're gonna love my other amazing videos on the channel. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. And guys, the Patreon link is gonna be dropping very soon, guys. So stay tuned and see you guys in the next video. Peace.